What's up guys, welcome back to another interesting video. So dear fans, today I have bring another awesome crypto meme project that is called Anko. Dear fans, you can also find out link in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and join this amazing platform. So welcome to Anko, where memes mean innovation. So dear fans, this is an Ethereum based meme coin designed to bring fun, innovations and value to the blockchain ecosystem. You can grab this opportunity and you can also buy it right now, and it is a unique blend of utility, community driven and initiative and innovative features. And dear fans, it's a movement that blend humor with a strong foundations on the Ethereum blockchain. Now you can also buy it, is available on the DEX, where you can easily grab this opportunity. And dear fans, on the next it will be listed on the L Bank on 24th, where you will be able to buy and trade it as well. So let's check out how can we buy it right now. So dear friends, if you come on the tax screener, here you can also find out with USDT pair. You can also check out its current price, and you can also check out the market cap is $542.1 million. And you can also check out the liquidity and flow. You can also analyze its price chart right here, and it is ready to make bullish once again. And if you want to be buy, don't miss this golden chance. Buy it right now and hold it, and later you can sort of make a lot of passive income as well. So here you can also check out and stake on Layer 2, and it will be listed very soon on DEX, Tool, Queen, Market Cap and many more other exchange very soon. Here we can also check out about its DEX and trade token seamlessly on the ultra fast decentralized exchange and rewarding loyalty as well. So Unco reward holder with a unique 2x reward system over 20 months as well. So direct wallet transaction, 100% transfer system for wallet to wallet transactions and Ethereum blockchain. So Unco harness Ethereum security, scalability and transparency as well. Here we can also learn more about Unco and why we should invest in Unco. So a new era of meme coins, and dear fans, Unco coin redefines what meme coins can achieve by combination of innovations, fairness and purposes. So whether you are here for the fun or the potential, so Unco is designed to deliver on all fronts. So be part of the Unco journey and discover the futures of meme coins today right here. So it will be listing on other exchange like that. It is available on the Uniswap, and it will be listed on L Bank on 24th as well. So here we can also check that Unco coin stand out in the crypto space by creating a thriving community, driving transparency, focusing on growth, as well as Unco aims to foster an ecosystem like that, engagement, transparency, and sustainability, as well as bringing the gap. So connecting the underserved with financial opportunities as well. Here we can also check out the dev updates and how to get started with Unco. And in dev update 1, December 5, 2025, Unco on-chain layer to ecosystem. And then in December 28, 2025, dev update number 2, Unco's a pump pit is almost here, and dev update 3 and 4 will be coming soon, and then you will be able to check out. And here we can also check out the Unco token mix and the tokens created value and fuel growth. So dear fans, 20% reserved for the pre-sale and 15% reserved for exchange and 3% for giveaway and 25% for burning and 7% for promotion and 10% for development and 20% reserved for reward as well. Here you can also read its white paper to get more latest news and updates and related to this amazing project. And you can also check out total supply of the project is here, and you can also check out its audit report. It is verified already. Here we can also check out its roadmap and learn step-by-step plan for building the futures here in phase 1. And you can also check the analyze and development in phase 2, pre-sale, airdrop, giveaway, fair launch, community building and events are included in phase 3. Defense, you can also check out the listing phase, price, inflations, burning and announcement and partnership. mid-tier exchange listing, and in phase 4 3D unique games and P2P games, fast earning games, utility collections, and in phase 5 they will be doing uni blockchains and unipaired memefi and memes bridge as well. Here we can also check out and welcome to 2x reward, and you can also get rewarded for your participation and earn exclusive Unco incentives and maximize your benefit within our ongoing ecosystem as well. Here you can also hold and earn as 200%. It estimated reward is here, and you can also grab this opportunity right here. Here we can also check out its total supply, and you can also check all detail here as well. Therefore, you can also participate in airdrop and claim your share of Unco tokens and join airdrop program and be part of the Unco community while enjoying early reward. You must be follow them on their Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and to get latest news and updates. And you can also check out the detail here as well. So here you can also find out a link of the social media where you must be follow them and join, and must be join their community on the Telegram to get latest news and updates, as well as I recommended to all of you must be follow them on their Instagram as well as join their Facebook to get latest news and updates. And you can also subscribe their YouTube channel and watch their video to get latest news and updates, as well as you can also learn more about Anchor token as well. So this is the best opportunity for you to grab this opportunity and buy it right now. You can hold it and later you can sort of make a lot of passive income. I hope so you like this video. Share with friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.